vice president is the manager of the club in the literal sense. Club education, VP education is the person who is actually taking care of all the things like the planning, the organization, all the management skills which are required. That is what is required in the club, in the vice president education's role. He is basically the scheduler who will be scheduling everything throughout the year, whatever plans have to be made, how we are going to execute it, everything is done by the VP education. So now I'm going to go to the most interesting slide that we have, which is foster self-development. So now basically the VP education is the person who is taking care of all the education related, not the marketing bit is done, but the education related stuff in the club. That is the responsibility of club VP education, is that the president can just relax and give all the work to VP education, because we are actually preparing the person to become the president and relax in the next year. Yeah, so what will be the role outside the club meeting? When we come to outside the club meeting, no, you are the person who is actually planning club meetings. You are the person who promotes participation in education program. You would be the person who is orienting the new member. You are the person who is encouraging the new member to participate, and you are the person who is assigning a mentor. So ultimately, if you see, these are the basic roles which are required to be done. And what the club, the VP education has to do is, first thing is to understand all the roles of Toastmaster. They have to, the booklets which is given, all the manuals, everything that is given on the website, like Toastmaster Moon has done, she has just taken it in her completely. So you have to, any club, any VP education has to understand what Toastmasters is all about completely, so that anything, if any member requires any information, they should be able to give it. We at Himalayan Toastmasters give a lot of importance to mentors, because we feel motivate members. There are times when members are there for 2 months and they have not given a speech. So it is the responsibility of VP education to actually get the new members to say that this is the date and you have to give an icebreaker, because they have to get started. Okay, now other thing that the VP education has to do is ensure club member conduct presentation from the successful club series. Now these are a few list of presentations that Toastmaster International has assigned to us, and all of them are very useful. They talk about evaluation, motivation, how to build up membership, and there are a lot of very important things which we need to discuss. Also, I think one very important thing that every club has to do is understanding the roles, understanding how the timer works, how the hour counter works. So all this has to be done. So from time to time, we have to schedule these educational speeches also, not just your communication speeches, but these educational speeches are also very important. You have to monitor the performance of the club quarterly. Initial speaker project completion record. Okay, now all the clubs would have got that big chart with the CLCC manuals and everything. So it is the responsibility of VP education to start charting the roles that has been taken on both CC and CL both. And if the president is missing, then the VP education has to actually take over as the presiding officer. And as in our club, what we do is, if the president is taking up some other role, a president is evaluating or also speaking, we just switch roles, so that it's easier and the other person also get a chance to speak. Plan club meetings, so plan club meeting, complete meeting schedules and confirm that meeting roles are filled. Now many a times, all the 18 roles which are there are not filled. So it is the responsibility of VP education and the Toastmaster of the evening to push in people and tell them that no, you've not done this role for a long time. Please take it up. Promote participation in education programs. Okay, now why is this education program? Let me first get into these education programs that are there. I mean, it's not there in the slide, but I've just got this paper about CC and CL, because I realized that the two people can share. CCCL, two people can share. Why I got this, this was that in spite of being a Toastmaster for 2 years now, I was also not very sure about how you achieve CC, ACB, ACL, all those things, and ALB and everything. So let us just go quickly on this. I think this is more important than the slides. Let's go to the communication track. When we enter Toastmaster, we just know that you have to do CC. That is, the first 10 speeches have to be done. Nobody knows what comes next. After you've done a CC, what you have to do is, there are 15 manuals which the International has given, and a lot of these, they contain 5 speeches each, and they are all career oriented. You'll see that it varies from storytelling to talking on TV to also making business presentations and things. So whatever suits you, what you are comfortable with, what you want to improve, you get to improve on this. So choose your manual, again talk to your mentor and discuss as to which manual is going to be better for you, what you want to do. Choose your manual wisely and then start working on that. So after you've completed 10 speeches, you actually become a ACB, that is Advanced Communicator Bronze. Then, okay, also, for the ACS, then comes ACS. Now for ACS, you again do 2 more manuals, plus you have to do 2 presentations also. There are these Better Speaker series and the Successful Club series. So you have to do two of these presentations along with your speeches. It is not just the speeches, but these leadership roles also and these presentations also, which are very important. And then to be eligible to get ACS, what you have to do is you have to have a ACG, that is the gold. You have to have the ACS, which is the silver thing, plus you have to have participated in a success leadership series, or a communication series, or youth leadership program. Now these are very challenging. I mean, I know experienced Toastmasters are actually getting into this, and this is something which will really help you learn a lot and will make you a very good speaker and a very good leader. So this is how the communication track works. Moving on to the leadership track. Now the leadership track is missed by all of us. We generally do not bother about the leadership track, like Toastmaster Mansi, who is officially a DTM, I mean unofficially a DTM, but then she never followed this. So that is why we have to encourage and we have to let our members know about this. Even new members who are coming in, we have to tell them that this is how, it's a balance that we have to maintain, not just the CC, but CL also. In CL, again, the first 10 projects that you do are very interesting, because that is where you are doing each and every role. I mean, there are people I know who say, oh, I don't like to be the R-counter. You have to do it. So to get a CL, you have to do this. And after the CL, you get the Advanced Leader Bronze. Advanced Leader Bronze is you have to have the CL, you have to have a CC. So 10 speeches plus 10 roles at the leadership track. Then you have to have served as 6 months as a club officer. So I think all of us are eligible. And then you also have to conduct 2 presentations from the Successful Club series or the Leadership Excellence series. Why this? If they would not have made this mandatory, probably we would not be conducting this also here, and we would not be talking on leadership tracks. So just to complete the circle, they have kept it mandatory on this so that we all do it. We all talk about evaluations, motivations, mentors, and things like that. Then you move on to Advanced Leader Silver, which is that in that you have to have the bronze. Then you have to, I think the district leader we don't have, so we don't need to do that. And then the High Performance Leadership Program. Now this is again very important because this talks about speechcraft, and there are a lot of other programs also which we need to do, which is mostly outside your Toastmaster arena, because I think after reaching this level, you are already very comfortable in this flow. You need to go out. You need to cross that limit. You need to grow out and try to do things outside, which is again definitely a challenge. But then if we are able to get this, then I think we become a better leader and a better speaker. And then if you've completed ACS, what is that? I get so confused. The gold in the communication track and the silver in the leadership track, then you are eligible for a GTM. So I think this was very important. I'm running out of time, otherwise I had an exercise planned. Okay, so how do you integrate the CL? Again, you have to make it compulsory. You have to, your mentor plays a very important role on this. You can track the progress. There is a sheet which is given. You put it up on the board in every meeting and track it, so you know who's reached where. We at Himalaya Toastmasters do it on Google. I mean, we have a Google thing, and we keep sharing it so that everybody can see everybody's roles. These tips are, CL has to be evaluated so that it becomes more viable. And the members have to bring CL manual. This is again something that we generally do not do. So please encourage your members to carry the manuals. Recognize members. Again, recognition is very important. The VP Education works with the president to promote competent leaderships, as well as along with the communication track. Include accreditation for board tracks and correspondence. Post and update the competent leadership achievement chart, like I just said. Ask members to perform and receive evaluations on at least 3 meeting roles for each speech presented. Now, this is something that we again have started doing it at Himalaya Toastmasters. We've made it compulsory that after you give 1 speech, you do not get to speak for 3 meetings. And then at the 4th meeting only you can take up a speech. So what happens is that person gets time to prepare also, because a lot of people, they just rush into the CC and the quality of speeches miss out on that. So if you don't, if the gap is there, you kind of take up other leadership roles. So in that way we kind of maintain a good balance. Remind members, ask members to mentor. Okay. Leadership product evaluations are very important for the leadership track also. Now, recognition. Definitely, I mean, all of us, I think, are looking for recognition. We don't come here, I mean, I would be happy if you would say, nice speech, Nishi, why not? So in the same way, everybody needs recognition. So we must recognize, and it is a very important responsibility of VP Education to see that each and every member is recognized, not just as a Toastmaster, but as a human being also. There are times that people are doing things, really amazing things in their lives, and we don't really know about it. So if you kind of get to know about it, please recognize it in the meeting also. Ensure all members know how to evaluate. Now there are these presentation which teaches you how to evaluate, and I encourage all of you to have these evaluation presentations from time to time, because once you've had it, it is not done for the year, because there are new members who are coming in, there are new members who are becoming evaluators, who are evolving into evaluators. So you have to have this from time to time so that we kind of know, we remember, and the other people also get to know about it. I know I have run out of time, but I told them that my presentation is long. Already. Okay, we need to orient new members. Okay, I think we've done all of this. Mentor, I spoke about mentors. Other Toastmaster activity, help the club with the newsletter, serve on a committee, participate in speaker evaluator exchange. Again, you work as a back-end evaluator to speakers. So from time to time, if you feel that this person needs some special guidance, please go ahead. Don't feel hesitant, just go ahead and talk to them. I know the delegation slide is not here because I deleted them. And a very important thing that VP Education has to take care of is to organize speech contest. So that's why we are doing it. And from time to time, in your club also, you need to organize speech contests within the club. And if you want, you can also invite other clubs to do it. So while doing the speech contest, definitely there are going to be 2 chairs who would be taking care of everything, but you are going to be sitting on their head and guiding them throughout the process. And your responsibility is also to encourage members to participate. So Moon, please encourage members to participate. Yeah. So ultimately, as I said, the manager's role, develop organization, teamwork, written and verbal communication, and event coordination skill. This, I think, says it all. Yes. The responsibility and a privilege. Yes. 1 minute.
I have a question.
Yes, please.
Can you tell something about Club Speakers Bureau?
Club Speakers
Yeah.
Bureau. I think this is something that International is recommending, but we don't really have it.
We don't have it.
We don't have it here. It's like something which is there that they've made
Not
it.
included in this.
Yeah, it is there, but we don't really work on that. We are working on a very one-on-one basis. And I had also got the DCPs which Sikshit had already discussed. The only thing I want to say on the DCPs which we don't really know is, since we are not districted, we have to do 4, 6 or 8 roles. On 4 we get the Distinguished Club, 6 we get Select Distinguished, and 8 we get President's Distinguished Club. And I tell you, it is not a very difficult task. It's just motivation which is required. So anything else?
Is there a standard template that you could use to keep track of people's progress?
Yes, there is.
Okay, where can I get that?
With the
initial package, you must have got that big chart.
Okay.
Yeah, you will get 2 big charts that you can keep. Otherwise, you can also create an Excel sheet on Google or something, and you can do it. So as soon as person gets a CL, you just mark the CL and you push the person down to a CL or something. And because as a VP Education, you have to remember the time, the date also, because when you are applying for them.
So you should ask your president where
Let's move on.
Okay, to just end, I just want to give this evaluation form to all the VP Education, just to let me know if this presentation was effective or not.
VP.
Anything?
Who is VP?
Do you really need to comment?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah, why don't
You don't need that. Thank you, Toastmaster Nisi. Now, without any further delay, I would like to call the Toastmaster Ranjit to talk about president roles.
Good evening once again. Let me ask you, what is this?